Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to fix audio and how to do keyframing in audio when you have music and you want to hear everything. So let's take a look. I'm opening up this project here. I've got one of my students who is walking, and she's telling us about her bike, and then she goes to school. So we're going to recreate this, and we're going to fix her audio. So let's take a look at how we do that. So first thing over here on the left, I've got her video here. So I'm going to double click it to open it up into the source monitor. At the very beginning of it, you can hear me saying go, so I don't want that. So I'm going to make a little in point here by pressing Command I or marking my in. Then we're going to bring this, we're going to click on it, hold it, and we're going to create a new sequence by adding it down below here. Here's our new sequence. Now we're going to bring this down to expand so we can see the audio wavelengths. So you can see she talks right here, and then she goes forward and speaks some more, right? And there she goes. So we're going to add music and stuff down here later, but first we want to fix her audio so it sounds a little louder. If I press play, you can see right here on the right, it's a little bit quiet. We want these waveforms to be up here in the yellow. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to hit Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. Once we're in Adobe Audition, we're going to fix this because Adobe Audition and Premiere Pro are linked dynamically. It's going to update right away. So here's all the audio, and I'm going to want to grab where she's talked. So let's see. She goes to here, and so I'm going to grab this just by highlighting it, and then I'm going to use this little decibel increase right here and bring that up to maybe about 7. And this is all touch and go for you. So there. So when you see me play this and you see there's red down below, it's too loud. So we're going to bring that back down a little bit. Let's go again. Still a little bit red. Let's say, let's go back again. There, that looks good. Okay, so then we have just some frill here. So right around here, I'm gonna, where she's talking again. So we go to about right here, I think. We'll raise this up. So I'm gonna raise this volume. And we're gonna do that. And then the stuff in between here, you can kind of grab and lower like this so that you don't hear anything. Okay, so it's nice and quiet. Then she's talking again. And then around here, we're gonna kind of silence this stuff. And then we're gonna go here again, where she's talking again. Raise the volume. And then we're going to silence this stuff. And then we'll leave the rest of it open there. There we go. Okay, so now once we're done with all of this, we're going to press the letter Command S as for save. So we're going to do File, or you can do File, Save As, but Command S works fine. And then we're going to go back over to Premiere. And here you can see the audio is fixed. All these things that we wanted to take out. This volume is raised as well. And we're going to go here. And there we go. Perfect. Okay. So now I've got good audio with her. So now, if I add music, which is this track here that you downloaded, and I put it in here, I got my music file. And I'm going to press the letter C to cut, and letter V to select it. Now, if I play this, the music is super loud. So we've got to fix this. So we are going to first bring down the music a little bit. So I brought it down by the slider right here. When we have it expanded, you can see the volume slider. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit right there. That's a little better. And then I'm going to expand the track a little bit so I can see it better. So we want it lower here, higher where it's quiet, lower where she's talking, higher, etc. So we're going to now we're going to create what are called keyframes. And we're going to go up here and make points. So I'm going to use the pen tool, the letter P. I click on this once. Now we need 2 points next to each other to be able to change volume. So I'm going to select this one right there where she's talking, and right next to it, I'm going to make another point. Once I'm done there, I'm going to go back to the first point. I'm going to click and hold it and drag it down. And now if I play that, you can hear it subtly in the background, then it gets louder. And then we're going to do that all the way down the line. So I'm going to go, okay, right here. I'm going to make another click, and I'm going to bring that one down. And then I'm going to go over to here, right there. Where should we have it again? I'm going to make another click there and another click there. And we're going to bring the music way up here. And I'm going to go to here, make another 2 points, and bring it down. And we're going to go here again, and we're going to bring the music up. And last but not least, we're going to go here and here. Bring the music down to fade out. Now if I play this, you can see that she's talking. So much better. Okay, once you've done all of that, you press Command M to get to the export area. Make sure that you name this audio _ your initials, and then find a folder of where you're going to go put this to. You want it to be in 1080p, and then export, and you're good to go. Turn that in for submission.